Today we'll study adverb phrase. Adverb phrase act as a single adverb. What adverb tells us? It tells us about verb. It tells us where the action is happening mentioned in the verb. The action that is mentioned in the verb, where that action is happening, adverbs tells us. Same thing tell us by a group of words. We call them adverb phrase. In the first sentence, place the box there. Now action is placing, and where to put the box? There. It is telling us a place. There means it suggests a place. Action is happening in that place. Single word tells us where the action is going to happen. This is adverb. Adverb tells us where the action is happening, happens. Same thing is told by us by the group, this group in the corner. Where? In the corner. Where? There. Single word and group of words tells us the same thing, where the action is happening. So this works as a single adverb, but it is phrase because phrase means what? A group of words that act as a single word. This is acting as a single verb, which is which is adverb. That's why we call it adverb phrase. In the next example, it tells us about time. Soon means it refers time. Soon means in a while or in a short period of time or in a moment. Soon. Single word suggests when the action happens. When action happens, the single word tells us it means this word is adverb. Now the group in a few minutes telling us the same thing. We leave soon means in a few minutes, in a moment. This group of words and this word, single word, telling us the same thing. When action happens, soon. Soon is adverb, and the whole phrase is adverb. That's why we call it adverb phrase because it is acting as a single adverb. So adverb tells us place of action, where that action happens, then soon, time, when that action happens. Also it tells us how, means manner, how that action happens, manner. These three things who suggest us three things. Adverb tells us place of action, time of action, and the way it happens, how it is happening, manner. Three things. Adverb tells us three things. If that same thing is told by a group of word, that group is called adverb phrase. Yes, go. In this, she spoke loudly. In this sentence, speaking is action in the past. How does she speaks? Loudly, in a loud voice. It means the same thing. Loudly means in a loud voice. This phrase is just replacing the single word adverb. So this is acting as a adverb. So we call it adverb phrase. Why it is phrase? Because it's a group of words. group of words, we call them phrase. And this group act as a single adverb. That's why we call this group adverb phrase. Got it? That's it for now.